Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove Meta AI from your WhatsApp application. Make sure to watch the video to the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So in your application there's going to be this Meta AI chatbot for assistants, and if you would like for this to be removed fully, then all you have to do is to reverse back to the old version of this application. So the method to do that is to go back and then find the application on your home screen. Then you're going to hold it and press until you see these two options where you can go to the app information. Now, once you do that, it will take you to settings, and then from here you can see the WhatsApp and the app info, and then go to the storage and cache. So from here you're going to click on it, and then from here you can see two options, clear storage and clear cache. First of all, you're going to select clear cache, and then finally you're going to select clear storage. This will release the WhatsApp application back in time, and so it will go back to the previous version. And then from there, you're going to just open it again, log in with the same exact phone number, and from there you won't have the Meta AI feature. And that is pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.